YouTubers, hi! Welcome again to AI Lounge channel.
I'm not going to waste your time. In this video, I will show you how to make a talking animated avatar like mine using free AI tools. It's no secret that channels who have an animated avatar are blowing up on YouTube and other platforms right now. The channel 10x Income grew from 0 to 250,000 subscribers in just 3 months with his avatar. In my opinion, every faceless channel who is not doing this is going to get left behind. It doesn't matter what niche you're in, creators like Dream and Based Zeus grew to millions with their avatars. So without further ado, let's get into the creative process. The first thing we need is a character for your video. My character started out as a simple sketch that actually looked like this. Now, in full transparency, I made this using an app called Procreate, which is about $100, and you'll also need an iPad. But don't worry, because I actually just discovered that you can make something even better than this using only free AI tools. Step 1. We're going to generate a character with CapCut. To download CapCut, all you need to do is open the Google Play Store or the App Store and search for CapCut. Once you have it downloaded, you just need to open it up, then you're going to search for text to image. This function is a lot like Midjourney, and you can use it to generate images of anything that you want here. I've pasted an example prompt in the description that you can use directly, but basically I'm telling it what it should be wearing, what the room looks like, everything that the AI needs to give me exactly what I'm looking for here. Next, we need to come over here and set the aspect ratio to whatever platform we're using it. 16:9 for YouTube and 9:16 for Instagram Reels. Make sure to ask it for 4 options so we have some variability in what we choose. Click generate, and just like that, CapCut has created 4 images for our text in less than 5 seconds. I already think that these are solid, but if we want to make more variations, we can click on regenerate and it'll create 4 more, or you can edit your prompt if you feel like it's missing something. And you can do this as many times as you want. For example, I can ask it to change to a red hoodie. If you like the specific style of just one image, then you can click regenerate and it'll give you back as many that are just like it as possible. This might end up taking a few tries for you to get perfect, but for this example, let's move forward with this one. When you click download, you're going to notice that the image is super low in quality, and that's a problem. To clear this up, we can search for Image Upscaler, which is another feature on CapCut. Just go ahead and plug in your image and choose the 4K setting, and boom, now we have a crystal clear image. Step 2. Now we're going to modify the background and make it even better. To do this, we're going to come to a tool called Adobe Firefly. They have this amazing new tool where you can basically generate any background you want for any image. First, you're going to create an account and then head to Generative Fill. Then upload the image that we created in CapCut, and now just use your imagination to remove or add anything that you want in there. So let's say you want to add or replace a cup of coffee. Just click on the area that you want to add it to and type cup of coffee. Pretty amazing, right? But look, I can also add a plant here by selecting this area and typing in plant. I'm going to go ahead and add a few more elements to make this scene really cool and visually appealing. You could add a window if you wanted to, and look, my avatar has this microphone, so let's add a mic, maybe a lava lamp. See how this is starting to come together really nicely? So now we have the completed design of our character and background. When you download it though, there's going to be this ugly watermark. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to remove it for free. To remove it, we can use a tool called Clip Drop. All you need to do is select the text remover and then upscale our image with Clip Drop to achieve a higher quality. Step 3. Now we're going to animate the character with the mask. Now, when I did this, to get my character's mouth moving, I had to use a super complex editing with keyframes in Adobe After Effects. But if you don't know how to edit like that, there's now a simple free method with AI that works almost just as well. And you'll see what I mean at the end of this video. You probably noticed that my character wears a mask, and that's not because he has a disease or listens to the media too much. It's because it's a heck of a lot easier to animate a character with a mask rather than lip syncing to every word that goes by. So to animate our masked character, just go to Artflow AI on your browser. You're going to need to create a new account. Then just click on the video studio in the sidebar and open a new video. Here, you can upload your image from the upload section in the sidebar. Once it's uploaded, Artflow will detect its face and it'll ask us to enable speaking animation. Just click here and then type whatever you want them to say in the box below. From there, you can choose an AI voice, or you could upload your own as an audio file. So let's say that you wanted to use your own voice like I do. You could then import that voice and add the voiceover as well. And I will be showing you guys how to create high retention scripts and voiceovers in a future video, but for now, I'm just going to use the AI voice that they have for the sake of this example. So again, just plug in the script and the AI will put it all together. Next, we're just going to click export and Artflow AI will make the video for us in a few minutes. Now, again, when you export your video from Artflow, it is going to have one of those annoying watermarks. But don't worry, If you want to remove a watermark from a video, I also have a tool that can do that as well. It's called Media.io. On their homepage, you can just click on video and then come to watermark remover. Once you've uploaded your video, it's really easy. All you need to do is highlight the watermark section, and they have this little green brush that you can select to move over objects, and boom. Now we have a clean version of our masked character. So here's how the project turned out.
You probably noticed that my character wears a mask. It's not because he has a disease or listens to the media too much.
But now I'm going to give you some more pro tips so you use this right. If you notice, I only play my avatar a handful of times during the video for a few seconds apiece. That's because if I just played my avatar full time, you guys would get really bored. It's kind of like building a personal brand, but without actually showing your face. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, it is a lot easier for the viewer to watch an actual human speak than some cartoon character wearing a mask, but this does get the job done. My point is, this actually works. And think about it, from a psychology standpoint, having an avatar is gonna help your audience connect more with your faceless channel. Because without a connection, then your faceless videos will just get lost in the sauce of YouTube.